My new favorite hobby is seeing how far I can take just staying in my terminal, not only because it's fun, but because the second you can get an activity that you didn't used to do in the terminal into a terminal agent, then it becomes automatable. Then you can easily throw it in a graph. I wanted to play a little bit more with using an agent in the terminal to orchestrate a real world, real life in the outside outcome, and wanted to do something super simple and just like order some food, specifically order some coffee for myself this morning. And long story short, there were a ton of barriers. Going into it, I thought it would be a lot easier to make happen than it was. Biggest issue with trying to use an agent to do real world stuff, a lot of those APIs are actually very much gated. And so you have to either be like a partner or apply partner for a partnership. Their APIs aren't public, even for like development or testing. I did find one called MealMe that actually uses GoPuff to you can order food and order things, all sorts of things from GoPuff through their API. And so did some experiments with that. But regardless, the workflow that I was able to at least partially make successful was kind of have a natural command agent search for products. It creates the shopping cart, it adds the items to cart, it creates the order, and then last step, it lets you kind of retrieve the checkout link for payment. They use like Stripe checkout links. And because GoPuff already has delivery or pickup, like you could have an agent order that for you and through your terminal and get it. It took a couple of parameters. Overall, it worked fairly well. I actually discovered a new cold brew coffee brand called When. And MealMe's API in particular didn't give really helpful errors. And so I was trying to order like one brand and it was out, but like the error it was giving was, oh, like the delivery or pickup method is not valid. And it's like, that's not really the error. It's like, it's out, it's sold out. But that was a fun experiment for the day. Still a far cry from broader personal automation use cases, at least now. It's in Pailkit. I have it in a separate branch. If anybody wants to swipe all of the food order workflow code and do something with it, do be forewarned that you'll only get like 100 requests, so it definitely goes quickly. But thanks for tuning in.